Okay, so right now, first things of business we have so trading the markets next week. Let's remove this. Indicators. Um, let's delete this. You know what? I want NQ to be here. NQ NQZ 2024. ESZ 2024. Wonderful. Remove, remove, remove. Wait, what did I do for this? Okay, we're gonna turn all of this off. Okay, that's wonderful. So now we're going to the daily, right? What am I expecting for next week? If you look over here, Monday, Tuesday, what I'm expecting is for Monday and Tuesday to make is for because of Wednesday is a high impact news. Wednesday will be a downtrend. Monday and Tuesday, now these 2 days, anything could happen. But what I want them to create is the SMT. Okay. Tuesday could continue our expansion. Wednesday is also going to continue our expansion, but Thursday and Friday will go into the range. We have unemployment claims. So 3 days to go into our level. So now let us go into the weekly, right? Right now, as we're in the weekly, look at what is happening. We have this candle right here. We have another candle right here. We also have another candle right here. This candle right here is what, and this candle is what? An SMT. This is the weekly time frame, keep in mind. From this high to this high right here, this is what? An SMT. If we look over here, what's this? A PSP, precision swing point. So I'm aiming this lows. Now, why this lows? One, why is December? December started this week. We started this week. What does it look like December is doing? December is going to be targeting there's November, the lows of November. The lows of November is where this lows down here. Why? Look at this SMT that we created right here. If price moves from SMT to SMT, look at this right here. We're targeting this amount of sellers right here. Equal lows right here. These equal lows. On ES, as for YM, we're targeting this low right here. Equal lows. So we have what? A monthly SSMT. Right? If we're going to the daily, from here, from this high to this high, right here and right there. This is long term, okay? This is basically long term. If we have long term, this is long term. Now, what is our short term? Okay, our short term is simple. Our short term is simple. From this high to this high, we're targeting where? This lows down here. So since we have one and we're looking at this on YM2, YM is just free falling. So I'm targeting these lows on YM because, and also on ES, because the ES to take out these lows more because it's more bearish, right? Now for this we aren't that bearish, but YM is more bearish if you can see, because if we go from this range to this range, from here to here, you can see where price is. Price is already at 50%. So YM will take out these lows faster than any other, faster than these two pairs, right? So I'm targeting more sell side, right? If we go from this range to this range, where could price be looking at? I'm gonna be looking at this fair value gap right here. 1 day FVG high. And then I'll be looking at where 1 day FVG low. Now that we have a weekly SMT, what do we have? We have a PSP. We have a PSP. I want a TPD. Okay. If we have a PSP, what is next? And we have an SMT. What is next, ladies and gentlemen? Ladies and gentlemen, what is next is this. As soon as we close below, because that's what Monday will probably do, most likely do. As soon as we close below, this is also a TPD right here. So as soon as we close below, right, what price could do is that once we close below, we will enter and then go lower. But right here, since we have this, I'm not going to be entering right here because this is a daily time frame. So we need a close below this, the bodies, right? And the other wicks. So right now I'm not calling tops or bottom, but what I want is for price to go lower into this. Since we took out this high, right? Since Friday took out this high right here, right? And we already made an SMT. Because as we go from internal to external, we go from internal liquidity, she sold on Thursday, on Friday she goes up, takes out this high. She consolidates inside. This day we're not gonna be trading this day. Anytime is a consolidation day, we don't trade it. This day, we're not gonna be trading this day. We go higher and then boom. Auto block, retrace, auto block, boom, expansion, highs. That's a profit. And then from here on out is just from external liquidity to what internal liquidity is what previous week's low. Short term previous week's short term objective. Previous week's low. So we have this taken out. We have this high not taken out. We also have this high not taken out. Look at what I want to do. I want the price to just go lower. Price to just go lower. And that's just all I have. As for this pair, going to the daily. As for this pair, and just look at the weekly cycles. Okay. We have from this to this. This low doesn't do anything. But what we have is from this low to this, from this low to all of this low. So we have look, we have a monthly cycle SMT. Let me show you. We have a monthly cycle SMT from here, from this low to this high. Look at that. Bearish, bullishness. And right here, what do we have? We don't have any TPDs. We have an SSMT. If we go into the 4-hour, let's go into the 1 week. Let's see. Yeah. But yeah, you get the point. Let's go into the hourly. So that was the weekly. So now we need to go to the daily, right? But yeah, that's the PSP I'm talking about. That's the PSP right there. We have a PSP right here. Price goes above, you enter 50% or 75%. Entry, boom. Entry right here, 2 a.m., boom, entry. And look at that. SSMT from here to here, boom. That was lot. 6 a.m., boom. You hold all the way. So basically, we're taking out this slows down here. That's on Tuesday, boom. Is there another entry right here from this quarter to this quarter? No. Is there another entry right here from here to here? We go from here to here. We use this loads down here. Yes, there's an entry. So from here to here. Was there a lows? Yes. London, boom. So let's go into the daily, right? Where am I targeting? You see these highs right here, right? I'm targeting these highs right here. That's my buy side liquidity. Price right now has taken these highs right here. You have taken these highs. That's valid. What could happen right now is that we could start falling lower. If we fall lower, where will I likely aim? That's where we need to go into the weekly. On the weekly, I don't see anything. We took out, let's go into the daily first. Let's load for this thing. From here to up here. From here, I'm looking from here to up here. I'm not looking from here, I'm looking from this high right here. We haven't taken out that high, so I'm still targeting these highs. Any SMT that forms is just noise. So now we closed above. After we closed above here, some people will be like, oh, but well, look, we made an SMT here. No. Look at this. We made an SMT just here for this high to just retrace, or just this candle to just retrace lower, and then we go higher. We're targeting these highs right here. CL market is going to 71. Okay, so that's basically just it for CL market. For me, I'm targeting these highs. After we take out these highs right here, above these highs right here, I'll also be targeting this high right here. Long-term objective, I'm targeting see these highs right here on RB, this high. Long-term, here, I'm gonna make that purple. and then this high is gonna be medium term, which will be this. So now on the daily, the 1 hour, since we're gonna be going down, right? What I want for us to do is boom, boom. Nope. Next thing I want us to do is let me go into the 4 hour. Right now we're retracing, okay? From here to here, maybe use from this low to this high. This is see a fair value gap right here. If we use ndogs, we could see that here's is showing an ndog. So and we also have an SMT showing up there. So now I am targeting internal range liquidity. I'm targeting internal range liquidity. We're going to the 1 hour. You'll see price action more precisely. So I'm targeting this equal lows. Targeting this equal lows. So now Bitcoin. Well. Solana to go higher and higher, and dominance to go USDT dominance to go lower. BTC to go, bro. Oh my gosh. I called out that Ethereum would not take out these highs, but Bitcoin will. And Bitcoin did. Bro. This is becoming so easy. So easy. Are you oh my gosh. This is becoming so easy that like I feel so overwhelmed. But anyways, let's move on to something interesting. As you all know, I am probably a lot of people don't know because nobody's watching this video. Oh, thank you, Jacob. Like, thank you, my boy. Well, anyways, thank you, Jacob, for this information. But what I'm just trying to say is that I am gonna be trading meme coins, which I am doing. So I called. She went to 7 mil, and I called her out. That was in my Telegram. Where is it? I have a Telegram where I'm like calling my entries and stuff. But so far it's like an 80% win rate. But so for here, I called out that it will hit 7 mil to bro. Now she's on 8 mil, so that is crazy. But I called out that it will go higher. Frog, I called Frog that it will go. So I called Frog at like 100k. Now he's at 8 mil. Bozo hasn't really done anything, but this is just what I'm watching, right? This is what I'm basically watching for next week. I'm watching Rog, Bozo, Brian, and Frog. Why Solana? I need to leave in the next like to go. So yeah. Rog, Bozo, Brian, Frog. Those are the things I'm watching next week. These four, basically. But basically Solana, probably I'll do Solana, but these are all I'm watching. So hype. I'm gonna buy this coin. Right? Like look at it. Look at it. 24 bucks, right? The reason why I'm gonna buy this coin is because of something called TVL. Okay, I've been doing a lot of research, right? So I have my Phantom wallet ready. I bought some Ethereum, so I'm gonna connect it to my MetaMask and then my Phantom wallet. So and also this Rabi. Oh, let me not show my account. But yeah, this Rabi is another place for Ethereum. So there's something called TVL, right? Crypto. Let me tell you what it is. TVL crypto is total value locked. Now, total value locked is very important, right? Why? Because if there is more total value locked, there'll be more investors, meaning a lot of liquidity is being in. Now, this coin just started pumping November 29th. And I wanted to buy when it came down to $22, but I couldn't because Ethereum was telling me that I need 5 days. It will take me 5 days to buy it. So probably it will go into 40 and then I'll buy it, which I don't like. because I want to buy this thing when it's $12, but it was December 9th and I couldn't buy it because I had I didn't know about hype. I didn't know they had a coin. I didn't know they had a coin. So right now what I'm gonna have to do is that I'm gonna have to buy this thing probably when it's at 30 for $50. I'll have to buy one because I'm a serious tight budget and I don't want to spend a lot on this coin. Okay, but yeah, but look at the volume. 300 million has been put into this market. The market cap is 80 billion. 8 billion. That's the market cap right now. So if you look over here, people has put like $15,000. This is the order book right here. People have put like how much? I saw one guy putting like 40,000, 40 bands on this coin. So projection for this coin is sky is the limit. Aber, Aber, sky is the freaking limit. 300, 500k, 500k. Sky is the limit. But all I know is that I'm gonna buy one of this and then just hold till I die. Probably two, but I'll just hold. Just hold it, and if it goes to zero, well, the more I learned, the more I learned. It was a good experience. Here, this is good. This is what I wanted for Bozo to go higher to break above this level. So this level is like this discount, and then we go higher. But anyways, I have to leave right now. So that's all I have for bearish. But yeah, that's all I have.